Anaja Sim Sim. Welcome to Kids TV. Let's play and learn together. Wow, what an adventure! Hee this is fun. What's next?
See the apple, round and red. Put it on your head. A is for apple, sweet, falling down into my tummy.
A for apple.
Come along, let's play and see the first letter of the A-B-C.
Look, something is hiding behind the leaf. It starts with the letter A. What is it?
Yes, it's an apple. Great job.
A, A, say it with me. A, apple starts with A.
Who is making these tiny footprints? It's a small friend that starts with A. Can you guess who it is with A? Can you guess who it is? That's right! It's a busy ant! You are so smart!
Up in the sky, an airplane flies. Someday flies in my size.
What a happy day. Letters dance and play. Splish splash in the pond. Hip hip hooray.
A is for alligator. A for alligator. Hey!
Look at the alligator in the lake. Chomp this big splash he can make.
This is A. A for ant.
Heave ho, this is heavy. But it'll be worth it. Almost there.
Ugh, I'm so tired. Push, push. Come on, push harder. I can do it. Push, push.
Push push.
Push, push.
Push push.
Push, push.
A, we learned the letter A. We'll be back another day. So